Before the city wakes, the giants emerge. The sunrise paints a monumental stage for industry. Every movement is deliberate, powerful. Watch the slow, focused sweep of metal against the horizon.
Behind the glass, absolute concentration. The command center guiding raw earth-moving power.
Controlled chaos, where machinery breathes, dust fills the air, suspended like golden particles. Not just a machine, but the backbone of modern construction. Building tomorrow, starting now.
We've removed the access panels here to give you a clear view of the new M300 engine assembly. It's designed for efficiency. This is the fuel injector, crucial for efficiency. And over here, the turbocharger, which as you can see, significantly. These color-coded lines are crucial for the lift sequence. The green here connects directly to the main control valve, ensuring. Okay, so the first thing you want to check are the main pivot pins here. Any play in these bushings can lead to premature wear on the cylinder connections. As you can see, we've broken down the reassembly into these core stages. The hydraulics are now fully repaired and ready for integration.
Look at the extent of the rust here.
Yes, and the hydraulics are completely seized.
Let me clear this connection so we can get a better look.
As you can see, the oil is leaking heavily from the cracked casing, indicating a catastrophic failure of the bearing.
As you can see right here, the flange is completely worn down. We need to replace the roller before it seizes up entirely. Once the hydraulic wrench cracks the tension, the old gear oil starts to flow. As you can see right here, these bearings are completely shot. This needs to be precise. Hand me the seals, then we torque these bolts down exactly to spec.
The new track rollers spin effortlessly, delivering optimal power and stability as the machine drives triumphantly across the site.
The damage here is extensive. The track wheel is caked in thick mud, and these prominent cracks and rusted bolts show.
See this crack right here? The whole assembly needs replacing. All right, I'll loosen this bolt while you pry that housing.
The hydraulic jacks support the massive weight as the team focuses on the intricate repairs, cutting away the damaged sections before.
Next, we meticulously tighten these bolts with the torque wrench, followed by a careful application of fresh lubrication.
And there you have it, the repaired undercarriage running smoother than new. A testament to quality engineering and hard work.
Stop scrolling. You think you know heavy machinery? Think again. This mechanical marvel is pure brute force, capable of moving mountains. Look at this sheer reach. We're talking massive scale lifting capacity. But wait, it's not just about power. It's about absolute control. Did you know an excavator can lift tens of tons? With incredible millimeter-level precision, this is engineering mastery. The operator is manipulating this giant like a delicate surgical tool. The swing speed is unbelievable for something this massive. Look at the torque. One scoop moves more material than a whole team of laborers ever could. Heavy lifting meets perfect science. Smash that like button if you love giant machines.